Hi, I'm Bart Hofkin, Solutions Architect at Akave. Welcome to the short demo on how to use Akave Cloud with CloudMounter, a tool which allows you to use Akave buckets as if they were on your local file system. Akave supports bucket object storage using the Akave O3 gateway, which is AWS S3 compatible and the standard for enterprise-grade storage. However, using command line tools isn't always the most convenient way of interacting with storage. So this demo is to show you how you can easily plug in your Akave credentials to use with CloudMounter, which allows you to mount Akave buckets and accounts so that you can drag and drop files in and out of Akave storage, making it as simple as Google Drive or Dropbox. To use Akave with CloudMounter, all it takes is a CloudMounter subscription, which you can get at cloudmounter.net, as well as a free trial, and Akave credentials, which you can request at akave.com. Come into the CloudMounter dashboard and just click on Amazon S3 compatible storage, and then you can name this anything you want. I'll call it Akave Network. Add in your secret key and access key that Akave provides you, and then add in your server endpoint. For me, I'll be using our O3-RC1 Akave endpoint. We want to mount all buckets, so I'll just put a slash here. Click Mount, and just like that, you're ready to use Akave as if it was a local folder on your file system. You can see that I have 2 buckets inside of my Akave profile, and I'll list the objects using the CLI that shows there's nothing in the first bucket. Then we'll come in here and drag in this photo that I have of Blaze, our mascot, and after taking a moment to upload, if we run that command again, you can see that Blaze is now on the Akave network. Using our handy O3 API, you can easily migrate all your data from your current cloud provider to the Akave network to save on costs. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with us, scan the QR code on the left to talk to our sales team, or join our Telegram group on the right to learn more about Akave and get access to updates for our development tools. Thank you.